let's try it. So we have a polynomial and a monomial. Now what we will do is we will divide it. So we will write it as 9x to the power 4, 8x3 minus 12x plus 3 by 3x. Now what we can do is we can separate each item. So it will be 9x to the power 4 upon 3x minus 8x to the power 3 upon 3x minus 12x upon 3x plus 3 upon 3x. First of all, now monomial, let's solve it. So it can be written as 9 by 3 into x to the power 4 by x minus this one can be written as 8 by 3 into x to the power 3 by x minus this can be written as 12 by 3 into x by x plus this can be written as 3 by 3. Since there is no x, it will be 1 by x. Okay, now let's start solving. This one will be 3. So we have 3 into this is x4 minus 1 minus this cannot be simplified further. Okay, then this one will be 4. So we have 4 and x to the power 1 minus 1 plus this will cancel out. It will be 1 into, since there is no x, so we will consider this as x to the power 0 because we know a to the power 0 is equals to 1. So this can be written as this. So we will say it will be 3 into x to the power minus 1. Now this will be 3 into x to the power 3 minus 8 by 3 as it is, and this will be x to the power 2 minus 4. 1 minus 1 is 0 into x to the power 0 plus this one will be x to the power minus 1. Now this can be written as 3x cube minus 8 by 3 x square. Since we have x to the power 0 as we have just seen, a to the power 0 is equals to 1. So it can be replaced here. So we have minus 4 plus this can be brought down 1 by x by the formula a to the power minus m is equals to 1 upon a to the power m. So this is your final answer. Hope you understood this and got this right. Let's move on to the next question. We have 30. Again, let's write it down. 30 x to the power 3 y square minus 20 x y to the power 3 plus 12 xy minus 13y upon we have minus 5xy. Okay, we have minus 5xy. Now let's start separating them out. So it can be written as 30x3y square on minus 5xy, sign as it is, minus 20xy to the power 3 minus 5xy plus 12xy upon minus 5xy minus 13y upon minus xy. Okay. Now let's start solving as a monomial. First of all this one. So constant separately we have 30 upon minus 5. Okay, into this is x to the power 3 y square upon xy. Now the next one we have minus 20 upon minus 5 and we have x y to the power 3 upon xy plus 12 upon minus 5 into xy upon xy minus 13 upon minus 5 into y upon x y. Okay, we have separated constants and variables. Now let's simplify. This one will be, we can minus it by 6. This will be 6. So we have negative sign, so it will be minus 6 here. Okay, now this can be written as x to the power 3 upon x into y to the power 2 by y minus, as it is in the bracket we have 5 4s. Now this can be written as this. Let's move on here. Plus, it cannot be simplified further, so this will be like this. And this can be written by like, this cannot be simplified further, so it will be, and this can be written as, correct? Now let's start simplifying them. Minus 6 here, this can be written as x square and this can be y. You know how I did this? I applied the formula. Which one did I apply? I applied the formula a to the power m upon a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. Okay, so this one is solved. Now we will come here. We have minus sign and we have a minus in the bracket. So we have seen minus minus is plus, so we can write, when we open the bracket, 4. This one will be 1, okay, and this one will be y square. Now plus minus will be minus 12 by 5. This one will be 1 and this one will also be 1. Further we have minus minus, so minus minus will be plus 13 by 5 and this will be 1 by x and this one will be 1. Okay, so when we try to solve it, it will come up to minus 6x square y plus 4y square. This one will be minus 12 by 5 plus 13 by 5 into x. So this is your final answer.